An incurable disease. Unoka, is it not too early for all this?
What is all this? Too early for good music? Should a man not be free with himself even at the early hours of the morning, eh? Adeze, my wife. Music is the best food for a good spirit.
But we should be getting ready to go to the farm.
That is what I am doing. A man has to feel well with himself before talking about going to any farm, Adeze, my wife. Eh? Look, music is the best food for a good spirit. Now, listen to my new tune.
These acts of yours are the things that make your son Okonkwo ashamed of you. Unoka, when are you going to be ashamed of yourself?
I don't worry about him anymore. I gave birth to him. I gave him a new wife and even made him a great farmer. What else does he want from me? Bread? Food? Money? Or is it water?
I hear you. Put away that flute and let's get to the farm. Sharpen your knife and let's go to the farm. If you don't do that, you and I will have a very bad morning today.
Adeze, woman of my heart, keeper of my fortunes, the only one who makes Unoka's heart to melt. Eh? Remember when you were younger and how this flute and his beautiful music set a trap and caught you for me? Eh? And you married me and you bought that strong Okonkwo for me. Remember, David, the best and most beautiful woman on earth, eh? Go to the farm. I shall join you later.